Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. In this bowl I have some carne asada seasoning and kosher salt that I'm simply going to go ahead and use as a tenderizer for my steak here. The seasonings that I will be using here, I have some oregano, chili powder, cumin, paprika, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. These are pretty big garlic cloves, so I'm only using 4. Otherwise, I would use probably about 6, but one of these takes up or makes up for about 2, since they are so big in size. Alright, so we're going to chop these up and go ahead and get this on. Alright, my meat has been marinating for quite a while, so now I'm ready to go ahead and get everything on. I'm going to first start with my chicken, and then we'll work our way up and put this together. I'm simply turning each piece of chicken over, and I'm going to cover it because I want it to remain moist while it's cooking, because I don't want it to dry out. And this pan actually does not have a lid that goes to it, so I'm simply going to cover it with a piece of foil. It works just fine. Alright, I'm simply going to cover that. Sit it there. I don't have too much of a cleanup, which is a good thing, so I just scrape up what's on the bottom there. Just a touch more of olive oil. Simply wiped out my skillet here. And onto that olive oil. Throw in the garlic. Onions and peppers. I have increased my heat to a medium-high because I don't want these to get soggy on me. I'm going to put in a few shrimp at a time. My veggies are ready.